Hi friends, it's Nancy and we're on a yard sale ride along. We're in Nithburg, Ontario. I think we're going to be crossing the River Nith at this bridge just right now. We stopped at 2 yard sales so far. Did I mention it was town-wide? And no, Nith River. And my son's driving me today. Say hi, Jordan.
Hi.
He hates yard sailing, but he loves me. So here we are. Lots of horses to watch for because this is definitely Mennonite country. Look at that one. He's saying yes, 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 it's Mennonite country. Yep, I agree. So what I got so far, I bought these 2 really super cute pillows. They're not pillows. They're like 8 inches by 10 inches maybe. But I'll be tearing these apart because these are absolutely gorgeous applique with vintage flowers, hand stitching. Back is nothing special, but I got 2 of them. So those were $3. And I got some vintage seam binding. It's purple. That was 50 cents. I got this needle card from a dairy for 10 cents. Isn't that cute? Where do I want you to park? Not there.
Okay.
I think there's like another turnoff up here somewhere. And I got this embroidered pillowcase for $1. So I've gotten a few really cute vintage things so far, and I will report back later. Okay, second purchase of the morning. I got these 2, well, one's like a little table topper, and this is a dresser scarf, I guess. So it has butterflies and roses, and this was 75 cents. Far cry from the stained holy grandma made it last week find that I left behind. This one also has lots and lots of little butterflies and flowers. Are you trying to kill me?
Yeah.
Ah, he's trying to kill me. So this was also, where's the sunshine? This was also 75 cents. We've been out for about 2 hours, and that's it so far. Jordan says there's a neighborhood sale near his house, and old people live over in his neighborhood. So we're gonna go over there and see if we have any better luck, because it's mostly been, you know, the kind you drive up to, and there's like 30 empty diaper boxes, so you know it's all baby clothes and bath toys and crap. So anyway, hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll find something really great. Oh, Breithaupt. Is that how you say Breithaupt?
Breithaupt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're having a flea market this morning.
Okay.
Do you know how to get there, to the Breithaupt?
That way.
How do you say it?
Breithaupt?
Breithaupt? I want to call it Breithaupt. It's
Leave it in the comments below.
I will leave in the comments below. All right. Okay, we're in Jordan's neighborhood, and I did find, this was actually in a free box outside of somebody's house. I think there's a name for these. Like, they're little crochet things. I don't know if
They're called crochet hands.
no, they're not called crochet. Oh, look at this little baby. There's a Japanese term for them, but this guy, he's probably old. He's missing his hat. But there's a whole bunch of these little horses and things, and
Amigurumi,
amigurumi?
according to Google.
Amigurumi. Yeah, I knew it was some Japanese thing. And then these, oh, there's one in here I wanted to show you. Can you take the thing off for me? Is that a monkey? Look at this little, is that a beaver? That might be a beaver. Oh, look at that little, its head's too small. That's what I wanted to, yeah. Okay, look at this little snowman. He's got mercury bead body and a little spun cotton head, and he's on an old pipe cleaner. But the whole bag, it was full of vintage bells that are on pipe cleaners. But this was the piece de resistance for sure. Okay, so that was all free. And then I got some other things. Got some linens and a book. And 29 games for parties for children ages 3 to 12. And there's actually an old Pin the Tail on the Donkey thing. Got some linens. I won't show you all of them because it's boring, but there was one that I was particularly in love with. This one. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it. It's got strawberries. Isn't that beautiful? And this one has some filet crochet. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's a set of 4. Nice. And last but not least, oh, I got this little Fry's Cocoa recipe book. I'm not seeing a date, but it looks kind of early 70s. So anyway, we're doing better. Got a few more to hit.